The most important and commonly used combinations are, see, I am not taking 20 here because in English language, if you write this word, that is the difference between a word and a number. It's not like that. You don't add numbers. And if I ask you to add these all digits, you can't add all of them at a single go. I will show you one more form of the same example I am going to take. More clear even in your brains. This kind of forms in the additions to make additions very easy. There are two examples. That's why I always ask students, and then your exam is gone for a task. There is a three-way process to add these numbers. So the main motto is that you have to see. I have told you right now 6 ways brain calculation happens here only. Why should you follow the fifth method? How do I add in my brain? Never forget, your main motto is. Hello winners! A warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to the lecture 7. Okay. So in the previous lecture we have discussed the different combinations that helps you. Okay. Let us take 2, 7. It will become 9. Right. There are many combinations we have taken. The maximum combination is 9, 9. That is 18. So these combinations help you for additions. There are many combinations. Among them, the most important and commonly used combinations are for 5, 10 and 15. Whatever the number combinations that gives these three numbers are very important. So what are those numbers? I'll tell you. After that, I'll explain you how to do additions in brains. Before doing it brains, you have to do it on board or with pen on the paper. Okay? I'll take some more example and I'll help you how to do that. What are the combinations that give you 5? First you take 0, 5, right? Then 1, 4, 2, 3. These are very important for you, which will give you 5. And then 10. To give 10, 1, 9, because you don't take 0, 10, then 10 will become a 2 digit. I ask you to take only the 1 digit numbers. 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5. These combinations. 15. How much is that? First it starts with, here 9 means you need 6. And then 7, 8. That's it. These are the combinations. They are very important. Why they are important? Whenever you see these combinations which will fetch these kind of numbers. See, I am not taking 20 here because it will 10 will cover 20, 30 and everything. But 5 may not cover 15. That's the reason, because these are single digit numbers. If you add them, 15 you get. Okay. I'll take some more examples how they will explain you. Okay. Before that, I'll tell you these combinations you note down once again. These are very important to you. Okay. Before going any further, I'll take an example regarding English language. Okay. In English language, if you write this word Y-O-U-R-S, this is what you call yours. Or you don't take S, only you take till your. And sometimes during messaging, you use shortcuts and you write it as you are, your. Still meaning can be observed. Like you can know that somebody is using your or you are, you know the meaning. But if I am taking a number, let us take 4024 and I use only 24 in the message. Will people know that it is 4024? No, right? In number you need every digit to be represented. That is the difference between a word and a number. Is that clear? You cannot write like this. You may write like this, you may, the word may, but you cannot write a number like this. Okay, please note it down. Write it. And now, when it comes to the additions, what exactly you are doing in additions? Okay, let us take 72 or 36. If you add them, what do you think? You're adding 72 to 36, right? No, it's not like that. You don't add numbers, you add digits. What are the digits here? 2 is a digit, unit digit, and you add with unit digit 6. That means 2 plus 6 is happening here. Here, what do? 7 plus 3. You add them here. This is what exactly is happening. That means, however big the number is, let us take 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 9. If you add these two numbers, you don't add these numbers. You add only the digits of this number. That means, whenever you are adding the digits, you add two digits at the same time. Even if I give you 5, 6, 7 digits to add, if I ask you to add these all digits, you can't add all of them at a single go. You have to add 1, 2 pay you take, and then you keep adding them. Right? If you want to add this, how do you add? 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. This is how you add. You don't add 2, 9, 3, 5, 6 and single shot you don't say 25. Right? So, taking two numbers combination is very important. Even when you are adding two numbers, you take only the digits. That's why I have mentioned two numbers combinations. Even in your previous class, if you didn't watch it, please go and watch that. Okay, so far so good. So what is going in additions, now I revealed you. Okay, and I'll go one more step. It's like, now you are adding two digits, right? Before going there, I'll show you one more form of the same example I'm going to take. Okay, here, what do you mean by 72? 72 means 70 plus 2. 36 means 30 plus 6. I already told you like-minded will be added same. Right? Here unit digits will be added, here 10 digits will be added. However, like let us take 40 is there, again 20 is there. You don't add these 10 digits with unit digits. You add like-minded at the same time. Okay, I'll show you what exactly is happening. Here you add these unit digits, you get 8. Here you add both of them, how much you get? 100. Again you add both of them. How do you add here 100? You put 8 here and you add them. Right? That means in additions you have to sometimes divide the number, separate them into tens and unit digits in order to make additions more clear even in your brains. Okay, why do we have to learn 5, 10, 15 combinations? If I take an example 7, 8, how do you add them? 7 plus 8, you should already know combinations, or you have to take finger, then you have to count them. Then you will know it is 15. Right? If you don't know the combination, then it will not become 15. There is one more way. If I write 10 here and 5 here, and if I add, it is so soothing for brain to do this calculation, right? So 10 plus 5 is 15, or 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 9 is 19. 10 plus 7 is 17. But if I ask you to do 9 plus 8, even though you use 17, brain is not ready to do the calculations. That means when you see 10, to add 7 to that, it is very easy. That means you have to create this kind of forms in the additions to make additions very easy. How do you do that? Now, I'll take this example, 7 and 8, right? How do you, I'm going to rub this, I'm going to erase this, okay? I'll take here because I don't want to erase the rest of the part, let it be there, okay, for your reference. I'll just take this example. How do you do this? There is two ways, either you can make this as 10 or you can make 8 as 10. There are two examples. I will take both of them and I will explain you. Okay. In order to make 7 as 10, how much 7 needs to become a 10? How much 7 needs? 3 it needed. So you donate, I will write the example here. You donate 3 from here to 7. How much is left here? 5. Right? Once you donated 3 to this, how much it will become? 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Easy? Good. Or you can make 7 comma 8. Now you have, just now you have made 7 as 10. You can make even 8 also as 10. But how much 8 needs? 2 to become a 10. That's right. See, 8 needs 2 to become 10. How much is left in 7 when it donates 2? Only 5 is left. Right? This became 10. 10 plus 5, 15. This is how you do. If you don't know this trick, then you have to take fingers and do. This will kill a lot of your time in the exam. Please follow this method. So easy, right? Okay. I'll take a couple of more examples. Now you know these combinations why I have taken this, right? I'll take one more example and I'll explain you. Because first of all, you have to practice all of them, all of these numbers in your brain. Then slowly you practice, then it will become a habit in your life. That's why I always ask students to add mobile number digits or the digits at the back of any vehicle registration numbers. You keep adding, make it a habit. Now, I'll take an example. 3, 6, 4, 2, 3, 1. Right? I'll just add these digits. Now I told you we are not going to add number. We will only add digits. Right? 4 plus 1, 5. Good. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. There are no carries here. What do you mean by carry? I'll show you. I'll take one more example. 5, 6, 9, 3, 7, 4. If I want to add these two, so I have to add from right side, right? 9 plus 4 is 13. You can't write 13 like this here. No. What do you do now? Now, 9 plus 4 is 13. You put the 1 here. Okay. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. One more one carry, 1 here. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This is how you do addition whenever you get carry. Clear? Okay. But not always you do the carry like this. Okay. I'll take some more examples, then I'll let you know. Let us take 6, 34, take 7 here, 9, okay, and one more 9. 634 plus 997 you have to add. How do you add? 4 plus 7 is 11. How 4 plus 7 has become 11? Two ways you can do. You can make this as 10 or this as 10. As this is a big number, I am going to make 7 as 10. So I have to donate 3 from this. Why I say each and every example is this is how things run in your brain. Okay. From the 4 I have given 3, then I have left with 1. This became a 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. This is how the calculation is happening here. You have 1 here. Now I have to add 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13, right? What are the numbers I have added? 3, 9, 1. 3 calculations. One big calculation then followed by small calculation. No, this is not how you're supposed to do. No way. How this becomes a 13? How to do it easily? You don't add first 3 and 9. Make it 12, then you add 1. This is very difficult process. Sometimes what happens? You forget the carry. And in hurry you don't see 1 and then you calculate 3 plus 9 is 12, something like that. And then your exam is gone for a toss. What are you supposed to do right now? Is that first you add this carry to this. How much this will become? 9 plus 1 is 10, right? 10, add just 3 to the 10. It's very easy, right? 10 plus 3 is 13. 1. The same way 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. This is how you do calculations in additions. Digit additions in total number addition. I hope this is very clear to you all. Right? I'll show you 2 digit numbers. How do you start calculating in your brains? Right? So far so good. Whenever I am giving all examples, you keep noting each and everything in a detailed manner. $36.23. What exactly happens here in this addition? I'll show you. There is a 3-way process to add these numbers. And one more example I'll take is 67 plus 46. There is a small difference between these 2 examples. Okay. What do I do here? There is 30 here plus 6. There is 20 here plus 3. Okay. What are the different ways to add these 2 numbers? I'll show you. Okay. First you write them one by one. 36, 23, and directly you add 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. But in exam you cannot use pen. If you keep using pen, then you will waste lot of time in exam. So the main motto is that you have to do all the calculations in your brain. Now number 2 process. Now among these, I'll first add 30 plus 20. How much is this? 50. 6 plus 3 in the brain, 9. Now you add both of them, 59. Easy. Third process. I will not add 30 plus 20. First I will add 6 plus 3. How much is this? 9. Then I will take this 9 and I will add to 30. 39. Then I will add 39, 20. This 20 is remaining. Then 59. Right. Again, fourth process is you add this 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. How much do you get? 9. We have added 9 to 30. Now we will add 9 to 20. This is 29. Okay. What is remaining? 30 is remaining. Now we will add 30 to this. It will give 59. Good? So far so good? Well, 2 more methods I'll tell you. Fifth one. Now, I will not add 6 plus 3 first. I'll just directly add this 3 to whole 36. How much that will become? 36 plus 3. How much is this? 39. I'll take this 39. How much is left here? 20. Add this. This will become 59. See the steps how they are reducing. Or you can do one more thing. Right now here we added 3 to 36. Okay, 3 to 36. What I'll do is I'll add 6 to 23. 23 plus 6 is directly 29. I'll take this 29 and I'll add 30 is remaining here because we already took 6. This is 59. Okay. See, I have told you right now 6 ways to do these additions. You can do number of ways, but these 6 are very basic and very important for your brain calculations. What exactly is happening? I'll show you. Okay. You are adding the like-minded like 10 digited. You are dividing them into 4 parts. 4 parts and 2 parts one time. 2 parts one time and both you add one more time. There are 3 steps here. Right? Here you add both of them, then you add to one of them, then you add to one of them. More tedious process, like very lengthy process this is. Same way it is also happening, but I am showing this example to you what exactly can happen. Numbers can add from any direction. The same result will be coming. Okay. Here also I am adding 9 to 20. Same process. Similar process. Right. Here these two are very important. For brain calculation happen here only. Which way do you do while you do brain calculations? Okay. I did not divide 36, only one number I have divided, that is 20 plus 3. Here I have taken directly 36, I added these 3 to 36 directly, 39, 20 is remaining, then I added 20. Okay, I did not make it to 4 parts, I just made it into 3 parts. 36, 20 and 3, I added them to 59. Or else, I made 30 plus 6 as 2 parts and 23 as third part, and I added these 3 parts here. That is 23 plus 6, 29, then you added 30 here, 59 you got. Okay, so among these two processes, which one should you follow for the brain calculations? Which one do you follow? You have to follow this fifth method. Why should you follow the fifth method? Because it is always better to add the unit digit to the bigger number. Once you add this to a larger number, then calculation will become, most of the calculation burden will reduce. See, 36 plus 3, 39. Only you have to add 20. This will become very easy. Otherwise, if you add 23 plus 6, 29, then you have to add a larger number. Always calculation should be like, if calculation is like this, 53 plus 1 plus 2 and all that. First you should always add the larger numbers. See, 20 plus 30, 57, 73. All the burden is reduced. Now what you are left with? 1 plus 2. Both are 3. 3 if you add to 73, 76. Very easy. But if you keep adding this, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 you add to 53, 56. Then you add 20 to this, 76. Process will become very difficult and your brain also feels burdened that there is a bigger numbers to add like that. Okay, that's why you always finish bigger numbers first, then go with the small numbers. Whenever I want to do one more example, 2-digit number, right? I'll take a 3-digit number. And how do I add it? All digits, all the numbers can't be added in a single way. There will be different methods to add different numbers always. Okay. 3, 84. How do I add this number? First here I'll add, how do I add in my brain? 576 is there, here 4 is there. If I add 4 to this, how much it will become? 580. 4 to 576, 580, then there is 80 here. I'll add 80 also. This will become 660 both. Now 300 is left. If I add 300, this directly become 960. This is what happens in my brain. Okay? Easily you just keep adding more number of digits. The more you add, the more accurate you will become. In maths, in mathematics, you have to maintain accuracy. Otherwise you will be penalized. You will get negative marks. There will be a process of normalization also. In this exam they are introducing. Because of normalization, you will get more marks if you maintain accuracy. You should never do any mistakes in this calculation. That is my main motto. Never forget, your main motto is to get the job. Whatever it is required, whatever the practice it is required, you have to do that. Okay. This is what is happening in these editions. I have shown you how the unit digits work. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.